Yo, what is good to the trader community? It's G and the Pip Guy, and I just hopped on here real quick so I can give myself a little recording footage that I need to get real quick. You feel me? But yeah, what we noticed was that the bias that I had last night, this bias is delivering like perfectly on some shit, and like you know what I'm saying, like there is still something that I wanted to point out because it's like you know what I'm saying the way that it's delivering is like it's so beautiful right now that it don't even make no sense. Like we see this bearish structure, bro. Yes, we see it, bro. But what I noticed before this low just broke is that, you know what I'm saying, there was a cause for this market to go much higher, bro. And I've been saying that and I've been like basically presenting it out of how it could go higher. And a lot of people are in this market and going short right now. There's a lot of money being funneled into it. But the thing about structure and the thing about the way structures work is that, you know what I'm saying, like everyone is thinking that this move is going to happen when this move is like less likely, bro. Even myself, I've seen that, you know what I'm saying, when I try to predict moves, it's breaking zones and going to the next zones, that it don't work like that, fam, because we can clearly see that the market is going up. We can clearly see that it's going up. So, like, you know what I'm saying, the more than likely naturehood of prices is for them to keep going up. And, you know what I'm saying, like, we just have to be able to follow that through. And I still don't have the proper confirmation now that I've seen this low broken. I would have to see, you know what I'm saying, basically absorption on a lower time frame in order to be taking this trade higher on a much higher like holding this trade. I wouldn't be looking to hold any loans right now for Ethereum. And yeah, bro, this is what I see on a higher time frame perspective. But if I go down to this lower time frame, what I was looking at, I was on a call with one of my coworkers. He likes to trade or whatever too, so Um, we got on the call. We did some collabing or whatever, and he was telling me about how he's trading support and resistance. And I found his concepts pretty interesting. And I was speaking about, you know, what I'm saying how we was having this important level at the support and resistance right here. And you know, what I'm saying yes, prices are going bearish, but basically, the matter of the fact is that prices probably were going to come back and they were going to be bullish again. And then that's what it presented to us, like as we seen delivering right now. And the thing about it is that like there's still people that think the market is selling for real. And you know what I'm saying? It's not only the people that got wiped out of sales right here in this level, you know what I'm saying, by basically like, you know what I'm saying, selling too early. There's also people who getting wiped out thinking it's gonna break and go to the next zone, the zone, the zone, the zone. Like because what's built up in this market is liquidity, bro. Like we see that it's going up, and you know what I'm saying, we know that it's going up, bro. But it's kind of hard to follow that when you see it's delivering bearish for real, right? But the liquidity is already built up to it, so you know what I'm saying. You just have to see it deliver in the right way, and yeah, bro, you gotta be able to understand the context and see it for real to be able to follow the moves when it's starting to go up. But goddamn. I was saying the market was gonna come back to this level of structure right here because all this inside structure was it was delivering, bro, but it was like it was insufficient to keep it going like lower. And this is my bias about this time frame right here. So I already had this bias instinct. And boom, as I seen this break, like you know what I'm saying, it was showing me a confirmation that like, bro, you know what I'm saying, yeah, like it's cool for real. It's cool. And then like the market is basically like it's delivering beautifully after doing that for real. And yeah, bro, that's basically what we see for real, bro. It's basically what we see. And I still have to see like the proper confirmation to be able to get inside of this because it's not really doing nothing important for me right now. It's not really doing nothing important for me right now. Like I said, we can see absorption on a lower time frame, bro. But like it's not really like it's nothing clean right now going for a loan. And this morning I hopped on a chart and we were like up at these levels right here. And upon seeing this, I was like, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like everything's good to go for the loans, but like you know what I'm saying, it's not time yet. And basically, bro, I seen how I was right about that too, because I was expecting these zones to get broken, and these zones got broke. Like it was proper, you know what I'm saying, confirmation, but it wasn't the time to be able to get into these trades. And there was trade opportunities here, but they sucked. And you know what I'm saying, I knew not to get involved in them. And you know what I'm saying, this what led me to my bias of seeing the market how it's still delivering bearish, right? It's still delivering bearish. So now, you know what I'm saying, it is opportune to go bearish, but this is not what I'm looking for still. Like, you know what I'm saying, like I have to be able to like follow my bias all the way through. And you know what I'm saying, just because I'm seeing the market deliver bearish, it's not telling me, you know what I'm saying, that it's all the way bearish unless, you know what I'm saying, I see proper confirmation for it. And if I do, then I'll start following bearishness, maybe. And yeah, bro, that's how we seeing this right now, fam. I'm not gonna speak about how I would like to see this confirmation of bearishness, bro, but just understand that there's a new low in this market. Understand that there's a new low in this market, and when we present this new low, it's new built-up liquidity that's showing us that the market wants to go lower. And inside, we still know that it's still bullish for real, bro. So we're basically inside a range right now, fam. This high and this low right here. And once the markets show us a break of structure, you know what I'm saying, to the tops and like it gives us a proper delivery, then we'll be able to go bullish. You know what I'm saying? Probably in like the stage, the phase two, or you know what I'm saying, whatever stage that the accumulation is in. But right now, like I said, it's not a good time to go bullish, not for me at least. And yeah, bro, because I see weak to strong hand transfers going on, and like you know what I'm saying, it's easy to get stopped out right here, folks. So like I'll be more bullish like up in these areas right here because I know something about these structures that's going on up inside of here. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much what we're looking for, bro. So like, um, for Ethereum, I'll be looking for a bullish entry around these zones right here. Hold on, where that last imbalance at? We're looking for an entry through the blast to this imbalance. Shit. There's people still thinking that this imbalance, bro. You know what I'm saying? That it's a fair value gap or, you know what I'm saying, smart money or whatever they like to trade. It's going to start going short and start going to go short. But really, here, it is true that it could go short for real. And we may start seeing it. But, you know what I'm saying? The thing about it is that, like, this is where I'll be looking for longs, like, on a longer term perspective. And it may come to fruition because, like, you know what I'm saying, we already see all the proper confirmations on this lower time frame. And like I'm following my bias all the way through, and this is what's going to be able to get me in the proper trade for real. And boom, yeah, it takes refinement and refinement of a strategy, and you know what I'm saying, understanding your edge to be able to do something like this in the market for real. But if we did see like you know what I'm saying breaks of these lows, and we seen market like you know what I'm saying come up and like deliver in a bullish way, like once more for real, like after like coming to like, bro, we gotta see sufficient price action for real, bro. Like if I see like the proper sufficiency, then you know, say we may be able to start going long inside of this bearish delivery. But the matter and truth of the fact is that prices are still bearish, bro. We like if you look at it still, bro, you know what I'm saying, it's still delivering bearish. Still delivering bearish. And I seen that this morning for real. But yeah, bro, this pretty much sums it up for real. It's G on the pip guide, and you know what I'm saying, it's a quick analysis of Ethereum, ETH, USD. I just wanted to get on here and break down what I seen from this morning, looking at my higher time frame perspective. Because I was saying we could break these zones and we could keep slashing through these zones. It's very, very true. And you know what I'm saying, I had an understanding of how the prices were delivering to the top side, and you know what I'm saying, it's like giving us perfect context. Well, not perfect context, but as I look down now, it's almost perfect context. And yeah, bro, um, we might be able to get a trade involved going upwards, going from here. But yeah, bro, it's G on the pip guy. And Wait, out, gang. Hold up. I'm gonna put the trade idea on here too, so people can see it. 52 pips. That's cool. That's cool. So boom. My first take profit will be at a 1 to 5 for this trade. And yeah, bro. This is the trade idea that I'm looking for. And if this entry, this is like a buy stop understanding I was waiting for. But like I said, bro, I have to see proper context in order to be going long on this shit for real. But yeah, bro. I'll talk about that in another video. Y'all can join my Discord. Y'all can find out. See you in the clip, guys. Out.